The first part of their plan involves Era attending a fan meeting with all BTS members, including Kim Taehyung. During the fan meeting, Era skillfully and discreetly steals Kim Taehyung's phone without anyone noticing and exchange it with hers. And it couldn't be seen in the CCTV cameras cause here Hyuna at home has already hacked all the system and shows what's just needed and deleted the stealing part, and the staff members who came to know that the system is hacked were threatened by Hyuna's men, and also the men who were paying attention on all this was Hyuna's men who replaced the men who were actually on duty by threatening them. So Era's road was clear. Just the thing she had to do was stealing Tae's phone without making him notice it, which she did promptly. They first decide to hack his phone directly, but was hard as Taehyung could notice and he have security on his phone, so this was the only thing had to do. Immediately after that, Era goes to Hyuna. Hyuna uses her technical skills to unlock Kim Taehyung's phone with specialized software. She then contacts his manager, using a voice mimicry expert who can perfectly imitate Kim Taehyung's voice. The mimicry expert tells the manager to appoint a nurse for Yonghan, Kim Taehyung's pet. Believing it to be Kim Taehyung's request, the manager arranges for the appointment. Jen's part in the plan. After that, Jen goes to Taehyung's apartment replacement of Yeotan's personal doctor, saying the doctor is out of country and send her to treat Yeotan. She also made call to the doctor and the doctor agreed because Jen had already threatened her, and here the manager also agrees by hearing her doctor itself, so she went inside after some minutes. Jen was feeling nervous because Kim Taehyung was not at home when she arrived. Her anxiety heightened when Kim Taehyung suddenly returned and informed his manager that his phone was missing. After entering the house, he noticed his pet, Yeotan, with a woman sitting beside him. The woman was Jen. He asked his manager about her, and the manager explained that she was Yeotan's nurse. Concerned for his pet's well-being, Kim Taehyung accepted her presence, agreeing his manager's explanation. Kim Taehyung went to his room, leaving Yeotan with Jen for treatment. Once alone, Jen took out a spray filled with a gas that induces unconsciousness. Simultaneously, Hyuna and Era, who were positioned in a jet above the house, released the same gas over the entire area. Jen was wearing a mask as part of the plan, protecting her from the effects of the gas. As everyone in the house, including Kim Taehyung, fell unconscious, Jen remained alert. With the area secured, the sisters successfully executed their plan and kidnapped Kim Taehyung. The gas was released in all over the city, not letting anybody focus particularly on just Taehyung's area. And the all blame was taken by a famous chemical factory which make all such chemicals. This was also the part of the plan. The factory owner was also threatened by Hyuna, and as expected nobody suspended after getting their consciousness.